cubes. No. Sorry, no. Huh? Look, we can open these balls. Ice cream balls. This is mine? Wait. Oh. No.
Ice cream.
We all
Crop,
have ice
guys,
cream.
for Chloe. Alright, go ahead and open.
Why isn't it full?
Yeah, you have to pull it.
Do we have to dump it out?
No, you gotta pull. Go ahead.
Loosen.
Pull the box.
Ice cubes. No. Sorry, no. Huh? Look, we can open these balls. Ice cream balls. This is mine? Wait. Oh. No, Mel, wait. You have to open it again, my for the spoon. No. Stop destroying everything. So, Marvin. Hey, Mel, wait. Oh, never mind. Let's take it. Hey, Mommy, Mel always don't be crazy. Mel always be crazy. And now I set everything. Okay? Spoon. Okay, now these spoons. Oh, no. Because I forgot to say. Spoon. Right. Bill.
You forget this one.
Hey, where's the spoon?
And you forgot the unicorn, the mold one.
Okay.
Chloe, that one.
Oh. Hey, now.
And where is your recipe book?
Right here. The recipe book is not a recipe book. It's just recipes. Yeah. Of what you could make. Now, have to set everything up. And let's put them on the stack.
Yeah, you get.
Oh, no.
You actually get it through.
I don't fix it up. Hold on. I have to fix everything. And, don't take it. And then one of this, and then one this. Okay, coming right up. How about popsicles? Mommy, can you? No, not that. This is for Mom. Here we go.
Thank you.
And Ma, you deserve one. And you deserve
Ice
one too.
cream. It's a
Thank
purple
you. That's for
one.
me. And also here's a popsicle.
Popsicle for
One.
me too.
Yeah,
I also got a popsicle.
Wait. I'm gonna make it right quick.
I also
too.
got a popsicle, guys. It's a unicorn.
And one. This looks so cool. And one for me too. And this. I think this is gonna be for Dad. Why haven't we just make a water popsicle?
Yeah.
Next to Dad.
This is my favorite. The bowl and a.
Mommy, can I make a
spoon.
chocolate
Yeah.
ice?
I love this one. It's so cute.
And also, Mommy,
Yeah.
this last one
We also have the
is
pink one.
and then Mommy.
And purple popsicle.
No.